What we have here today is a 66 Corvette Convertible. This vehicle is actually in really good shape. However, what had happened is he was parked at the stoplight. Young lady in front of him decided she didn't want to be parked there anymore, put her vehicle in reverse and backed up over the top of him. And in doing so, if you look closely, it's fractured out the fiberglass. And if you look down behind the headlights, at least on that side there, you can see how it's damaged the inner structure back behind there, pull it away. Also on the top, if you look closely, you can see how it's raised up above the hood, and so that tells me that there's more going on behind there. This one here, once we break it down, we may have to pull the entire front end off the front, simply because of the way these fiberglass cars were put together back in the day, how they're bonded to the inner structure. So stay tuned, see what happens next with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.